what's up? I'm Colleen. Welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean. So be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic week so far. Happy Friday. Mine is a regular week. I've had off of work this week, so it was kind of nice. I, of course, didn't do anything that I had planned on doing, you know, like organizing some stuff in my room. That's like just, I mean, my room is so stuffed right now. Like, it's not even just makeup. It's just like, I just have a lot of stuff throughout the years. I'm really bad about getting rid of stuff. And like, I'll go through something and then I get like overwhelmed and I'm like, I can't. And I am shoving it back in a box and then it just gets pushed somewhere. And I just have like too much stuff in general and I need to get rid of it. Not that you needed to know that, but anyway, that was like my plan for the week. So I'm like venting like now because I'm kind of annoyed at myself. Like, I know that I still have today, tomorrow, and Sunday to do before I go back to work. So, but you know, I'm not going to. So I got my hair cut. I really, really like it. It was way overdue. Let's see if you can see it. Like, it looks really nice. I actually have to do my roots this weekend. I do those myself just because I think it's fun and I really like doing it myself. But of course, like, I cannot cut my own hair. Like, that's just a skill that and a talent that I do not possess. And thankfully, the lovely girl, Brianna at Ulta, did possess that talent and did a fantastic job. So thank you, Brianna, at my local Ulta, for giving me a beautiful haircut. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to be mainly talking about what I got in my Boxycharm this month. I actually got it yesterday. I feel like I get my Boxycharm like later than everyone else. I don't know why that is, but you know, it is what it is. Like, most of the time I don't check like Boxycharm videos, like I've said before I get it. I did see one or two things, but that's okay. And then I actually wanted to talk about, before I get into my Boxycharm, I wanted to mention two things that I got recently. I caved in and I bought the Blendiful from Tati Beauty because I'd like been on my radar and like, oh, do I want to get it? Do I want to get it? And then I watched a couple of videos and people were just talking about it, and for the most part, they like really liked it. And I know she addressed like the issue with them breaking and everything. And so I've had it for about 3 days now and I've played around with it. I washed it like the way she said to, and like, I can't get mine to be like spotlessly clean. Like, I can't, this is like, I don't know, maybe I'm just doing something wrong. I don't know. I did it with both like brush cleanser, and I also used like Johnson & Johnson like baby shampoo on it just to see like something soft. I didn't use anything hard on it and I didn't scrub it like she's, you know, like she says not to. Whatever. I mean, it's clean enough. Oh, no one cares about like my spots on it. For the past 3 days that I've used it, I think I like it. I definitely don't dislike it. There are things about it that I feel I really like how it applies makeup, and then there are things that I'm kind of like, well, my brush and sponge like kind of do the same thing. Like, it's not like that life-changing for me. I do love though that you can use the liquids and powders all on the same brush, and I have to say I do really enjoy how this puts on setting powder on my under eyes. I feel that this really presses it on nice and doesn't make powder go everywhere. I've also kind of like, I like the way it applies the bronzer to my forehead area. Actually, Brianna did a really great job of not washing my makeup off my forehead, because sometimes when you get your hair cut and then like your foundational stuff, she did like an amazing job. I like the way that it put that on. I don't think my linings look that good. I tried it with the, see, it kind of looks like ice cream sandwich face, which I didn't make up. I heard someone said that on a Wayne Goss video, and I totally knew exactly what she meant. Like, I feel I put the contour on a little dark. I mean, I don't always contour, sometimes I use more like a bronzer, but she put contour on Tati in the video, so I was like, oh, I'll try. I mean, it kind of spreads out. I don't know if I love it. I did put, I'd put highlight on yesterday and the day before with it. It applies it nice, but I still think I like my brush and then my finger sometimes for like my nose and Cupid's bow area better. But like, overall, I don't regret purchasing the Blendiful. Like, like I said, I've only used it 3 times. I'm definitely still playing around with it. I do feel there's like a learning curve. Definitely think you should watch the video of how to use it and everything. But I mean, I'm gonna get my use out of it. It was $18. It's not like crazy expensive, but it comes with a baby Blendiful, which is a little heart, which is adorable, and I'm gonna use that at some point. But I'm sorry I'm like rambling about the Blendiful, but yeah. So I mean, if you want to try it and you have the extra $18, I mean, yeah, definitely try it. But I mean, it's not something I would say that you have to have. It's fun. It's different, you know. Like I said, I'm still playing around with it. I'll like try and remember to update how I feel about it in maybe like a couple of weeks in another video just to see, because then I'll get like a real, you know, feeling of how it felt. I mean, my makeup seems to stay on nice. I mean, I never had like a super issue. Like my thing is, I am not like a foundation skin like connoisseur kind of like makeup. Like my favorite makeup is like eyeshadows and like lipsticks and stuff. So I have average, you know, like 30-something-year-old skin. It's not too oily. It doesn't really get dry. It gets dry when my sinuses are bothering me and I blow my nose a lot. But like I don't really get too many dry patches. Every once in a while I get like a dry patch on my eye when it gets irritated, probably from like putting too much makeup on and wiping it off. I don't know. But like I have normal skin, so I don't know if I'm always like the best person to like talk about foundations and stuff, just because I mean mine's just average, and I don't know, like I don't feel like I have like great, like I don't feel like I have like something great to add to like someone else's like foundation routine. I don't know if that makes any sense. So let's get off the Blendiful, and I want to talk about, it would help if I had like taken the stuff out too. Of course I didn't do that. I got this the other day because I saw Annette's Makeup Corner and Teresa's dad use this. The Fenty Beauty Flypencil Longwear Pencil Eyeliner in the color Lady Lagoon. This is absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can see it on my eye still, but my lighting kind of sucks. But I've had this on for a while and my eye's been tearing because it's cold outside, and it like really hasn't not moved. Like it's really, yeah, it's still really vibrant. And like my mirror over here with the better lighting, I could see it. It glides on so smooth. I'm really impressed with it. I've never bought anything from Fenty before, so I was really excited because I always wanted to try Fenty and then I would just forget, and the Sephora's are not like super close to me, so a lot of times I'll just like order it online. And with like some products I want to like see them in person first before I like actually buy them. So I happened to go to Sephora the other day and I picked this up. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here. It writes so smooth. Look at that color. It's beautiful. I really like it. I have a feeling this is gonna be my like favorite eyeliner now, which really sucks because it's like $22. So we'll see. I definitely want to get more colors in it. Definitely want to replace this one when it goes away. And they had a beautiful olive green that I like definitely want to try. All right, so let's get into my Boxycharm. So here it is right here. I actually just opened it. I didn't really like detail look at the stuff. I did obviously open the box yesterday when I got it. But the first thing I got were these Alamar brushes. Evo Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes, which I love makeup remover wipes, so that's such a great thing for me to get. Facial Radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. These facial radiant pads help exfoliate, tone, and brighten skin. I overall like First Aid Beauty, so that's pretty cool. And then I got this Everyday Vacay from Ciate London, which is a setting powder, which I will definitely try. And then the final thing I got was the Iconic London's Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. And then when you open it up, it looks like that. It's pretty. Definitely like a totally warm nude beige toned palette. I think the colors are nice. I'm not going to do a look with it today, obviously, because I have my makeup on. I definitely want to try the colors in this, though. I think there's some pretty colors in here. I can't say that this is a palette that I don't have already. Like, I feel like I probably own most of the colors in this palette or pretty close to it. But I feel like when you own a lot of makeup, that kind of just happens all the time. You end up repeating things. But I've never tried anything like eyeshadow from Iconic London before, so this will be interesting. I know there's like the big controversy like with Boxycharm and the brands that they use and them not using like the same quality ingredients that they use in their actual products versus the one they give to Boxycharm. So I don't know if this will be like an actual reflection of this palette versus like the palette that Iconic London sells at like Ulta or on their website or wherever you can get Iconic London. So we'll see about that. I might have to go online and look at the ingredients just after I try it just to see how it works. But overall, like, it's very, very pretty. Quick look at it. I want to try this color right here, Closing Party. Looks like that. Oh, that's very pretty. And then this color here, Icon, looks really cool on the bottom right there. Looks like that. Yeah, very pretty. I'm definitely interested to see how these shadows will perform. I did not get that, like, what is it, fascia or whatever, that 24 karat gold thing that everyone's talking about. That's like, they said retails for like 50 bucks, and it, like, people are saying you can get it on like AliExpress for like $1.24, the exact same thing. So I'm kind of glad I didn't get that, because not because like I, you know, think I'm too good for something like that. Like, it was like a gold thing. It didn't really look that exciting to me. I'd rather use these pads than the gold thing. Gold is like fun for makeup, but from what I read and what I understand, gold really does nothing for your skin. So you're just kind of like wasting this mineral on your face for like absolutely no reason other than to give yourself like a glow. I don't know. I mean, I'm not opposed just for like, I think it's fine if they want to put stuff, I guess, like in the products to make it look pretty, because I know that I probably bought eyeshadows that, you know, have like this crystal powder in it that probably really does nothing, but whatever. I feel like I'm like all over the place in this video. So if you guys also get Boxycharm, please let me know below like what you thought about this month's box, what you got, did you get some of the same stuff as me? Did you get different things than me? I love to hear what people think, especially if you use some of this stuff yet. Like, I haven't used it, so it'll be really interesting to see how you guys felt about it, and then after I try to see how I feel about it. Every month I'm always sort of half like on the bubble of canceling Boxycharm, just because, like, not that I don't like it, it's just that I have so much makeup. I mean, I don't get an insane amount of subscription boxes a month. Like, I can't. I don't have the room for it. I really don't have the money for that. It's just like so expensive. But I mean, I could usually get like a palette of some sort in the Boxycharms, and it's just like, I don't need it. So I don't know, but then I do kind of love getting it every month. So yeah, we'll see. I don't, probably one of those things that I'll just probably keep getting. But anyway. I also get Birchbox, that I really enjoy. I know that like that's not as like cool as like Ipsy and like Boxycharm is and stuff now, but I still enjoy getting my little sample size stuff for like, what is it? I think it's up to like, I think it is more than $10 a month now, but everything's gone up because unfortunately it just has to. And then I also get something called Cat Lady Box, because I love cats. And it comes with like things for yourself and then 2 cat toys, and I love that. That's a lot of fun. I have gotten so many t-shirts, which I love, because when I work out, when I'm trying to be better, I wear like baggier t-shirts, and when I sleep I wear baggier t-shirts and like pajama pants. I don't like form-fitting pajamas. I just can't do that. I need to be like really comfortable when I'm sleeping. So it's been really fun to get all these like fun cat themed t-shirts, especially because a lot of mine are like needing replacing, because I wear them, you know, so much. I don't wear like sounds like I wear like whatever. I've had them for a while, so you know, t-shirts wear out. It's really just what I was trying to say. I used to also get Kitnip as well for that specifically like for your pet. I really liked it, and also some of the money that you when you would buy your Kitnip every month would go like towards animal charities and stuff. But the reason I stopped getting it was I only have one cat. She doesn't play with like toys excessively, and I would get like tons of toys every month. Plus I was starting to get the Cat Lady Box, so I would get 2 from that and then like 3 from Kitnip, and some of them they would send are kind of big, and she does not like big toys. She likes like the wands and stuff, but like the things like this big, she won't play with those. So I'm definitely I'm donating them to my local Humane Society, because I have so many that are just completely unused. And also they would send treats and stuff that she's very fussy about, like treats. She doesn't like upscale like fancy ones. She likes like regular, you know, like Whiskas or Friskies or whatever the hell those brand Temptations, those type of branded treats. Or she'll like the freeze-dried like chicken and stuff. She does not like some of the fancy fun ones that they would send that I was like, oh Lola, you would love this. No, turn her nose up at it. And then because it was opened, I can't donate it, so it was like kind of wasting. Like I'd kind of put them outside because I know we have some stray cats around, but I still feel like it's kind of like wasting money or whatever, or food that could have gone to another cat. So, and sometimes they would send fish and she won't eat that at all. So she'll eat like canned fish, but not like freeze-dried fish or anything like that. She doesn't like it. So I don't know why I'm rambling on about like the different boxes I get and like what my cat likes and what she doesn't like, because you're probably like, what is that? Why do we even need to hear that? So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm going to wrap up this video. As always, I will list everything that I am wearing on my face, as well as my Instagram and Twitter handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, because I love them so much, although I am biased, but I think everyone is biased when it comes to their little fur babies. If you like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you so much for stopping by, even if it was just for like a nanosecond. I really appreciate it, and I will send you tons of positive vibes and happy thoughts your way just for stopping by. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm having a good time, like I've said before, doing these videos, so thank you so much. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!